Have you ever walked into a new place, a new city, and felt like everyone already had their friends, except you? And yes, that feeling can change in just one conversation. Hey friends, my name is Zara, and today we are going to practice English together while learning something that every single one of us needs in life, and that is the skill of making new friends easily. This is not just an English lesson. This is a real-life skill lesson wrapped inside simple English words so you can improve your listening and your confidence at the very same time. Here is something interesting. Making friends is not about being the funniest person in the room, or the most beautiful, or the richest. It is about something much simpler, something every single beginner English learner can already do today. Are you ready? Let's begin. Making new friends is easy if you are kind and friendly. Kindness is like a magnet. People are naturally pulled towards someone who makes them feel safe and comfortable. You don't need a perfect accent to be kind. You just need a warm heart and a willing smile. Now let's talk about the very first step. Start by saying hello with a smile. It sounds so simple, doesn't it? But many people forget this small step. They wait for the other person to speak first. They wait, and the moment passes. Don't let that be you. A simple hello, said with a smile, can open a door that stays open for years. Practice saying it right now, in your own room. Say it out loud. Hello, add a smile, and feel the difference. Once you say hello, the next step is asking questions. Ask simple questions about work, hobbies, or favorite games. This is where many beginners feel nervous because they think they need difficult questions. But that is not true at all. Simple questions work best. What is your favorite subject? Do you play any sports? What games do you like? These small questions open big conversations. People love talking about things they enjoy, and when you ask, you are showing them that you care. But asking a question is only half of the conversation. The other half, and honestly, the more important half, is listening. Listen carefully when the other person speaks and show interest in their words. This is one of the biggest secrets to making friends. Most people are so busy thinking about what to say next that they forget to truly listen. When you listen with your full attention, when your eyes stay on their face, when you smile at the right moment, the other person feels valued. And when someone feels valued around you, they want to stay around you. Now think of someone who truly listens to you, and imagine being that person for someone else. That is exactly what we are learning today. Let's continue with our listening practice. Be helpful, honest, and polite. 3 simple words, but they carry so much power. Being helpful means offering support without being asked every time. A small act of help can build a friendship that lasts for years. Being honest means people can trust your words. And being polite means your words and actions always carry respect, even during small, everyday moments. Now here is something many people don't think about. Friendship does not always start in classrooms or hallways. Sometimes it starts on a football field, sometimes in a dance class, sometimes in a simple group project. Joining group activities or sports is also a good way to meet new people. When we do activities together, we share laughter, we share small struggles, we share small victories. And shared moments build strong friendships, faster than words alone ever could. Think about your own school or your city. Is there a sport you have been curious about? A group activity you keep delaying? This might be the sign you needed to finally say yes to it. Now, let's talk about something very important, something that beginners often forget. In excitement of making new friends. Good friends take time to grow. In today's fast world, we want everything quickly, quick replies, quick likes, quick success. But real friendship is different. It grows slowly, like a small plant that needs sunlight and care every single day. Don't expect a deep friendship after one single conversation. Give it time. Water it with kindness, patience, and honesty, and watch it grow naturally. And finally, one of the most powerful lines in today's lesson: always be yourself. This is where so many people struggle. When they meet new people, they try to copy others, they try to hide their true personality. But the truth is, real friends are attracted to your true self, not a copy of someone else. Your accent, your background, your story, these things make you interesting, not less valuable. Today or tomorrow, say hello to someone new with a genuine smile. Ask them one simple question, and then just listen. Watch how naturally the conversation begins. Remember, English learning is not only about grammar rules and vocabulary lists, it is about real communication and real connection. And today, you practiced all two at the same time. If this lesson helped you feel more confident, both in English and in making new friends, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, because we have many more lessons like this coming your way. Practice today's sentences at least 3 times, and I promise your English will feel stronger tomorrow morning. I will see you in our next lesson very soon. Until then, keep smiling and keep listening. Take care.